What's up, Nova Nation? Welcome back to my channel. Today I have another unbagging. This is from the Coach Boutique. So I am a Coach Boutique, Coach Outlet girl. And if you want to see which bag I got, stay tuned. All right, so I wanted a denim tote. That is your hint. And I knew I had to decide between the very many cargo totes that are available and sizes. I knew I wanted a bigger one because I knew that I wanted to carry a lot. So which one do you think I got? I got the full size denim cargo tote in the patchwork denim colorway. Oh, she's absolutely stunning. Oh my goodness. So my sales associate really was trying to talk me out of getting this one because she was like, you only need so many denim totes. And I'm like, yeah. But this one, it's a little bit more fun, a lot more casual. It carries a lot. I feel like I would find use in this one. And I thought long and hard about it because this one, it's new, but it's not like it came out last week or anything like that. Like I sat on this one for a minute because not only is she patchwork, but she's also silver hardware. And I had to think about that, you know. I was like, do I have anything that will kind of go with it? But silver to me, like mixing metals, it's never been a big deal. I was just afraid of how it like looked all together. But when I saw it in person, I was like, yeah, I'm gonna have to get her. As I'm unwrapping her, I'm getting so excited because she looks so good, y'all. She looks so good. All right, so this is her in all of her glory. This is the bigger size or the regular denim patchwork cargo tote in this style. Number is CAM 72. Oh, you guys, I love this so much. We're gonna jump right into her. So of course she has her customizable tag, super nice. And you could get this hot stamped if you'd like at the store. And I can't tell, is that black or is it navy? It's black. And the patchwork design in general, the whole line they came out with, the tabbies, the rogues, the cargo tote, I loved all of them. So it was so hard to choose exactly what I wanted. There are two that I knew that were must-haves. I'll show you a hint of the second one I got in a little bit. But this, of course, was the first one that I got. It just says Coach and it's different stitching on the front. And you know, it's crazy because usually when I see like patchworked items, I'm thinking it's like something out of a Tim Burton movie or something like that. It looks just like all pieced together and not cohesive. To me, this looks cohesive. It looks integrated. The Coach emblem isn't loud. It's beautiful and it looks like it was well thought out. I know that a lot of people are buying the patchwork bags from like different outlets and stuff and third party. I'll say that for me, denim, I'm buying directly from Coach because there are so many dupes out there. And for this bag in particular, I've seen so many replicas. It's not even funny, but nothing beats what this one looks like and this one's functionality, in my opinion, from what I have seen personally. So hopping right in, the whole thing's denim, baby, okay? We got silver hardware. There's a turn lock right up here on the front pocket. So to open it, you turn the lock and you have an opening up here. Turn the lock and it's locked back up. Same thing in the back. There's a pouch, but this one is a button closure. So there's a button here, and then to close it, you just button it back up. So pockets in the front, pockets in the back. So it does come with a crossbody in addition to having the top handle option and crook of the arm, which it's plus size girl friendly. Quite a big opening up here. And then this is the crossbody strap, sorry about that. And it's adjustable based on this mechanism here. So you could tighten it and loosen it just like that. Pretty simple. And it's pretty secure too. I really like that, how they did that with this little strap here. That's very nice. And then to connect your crossbody strap, it's crisscross, similar to some of the bags I've showed you previously. The most recent one I think was the Sabrina. There is a D-ring on this side, and you would just clasp the crossbody strap on this side, and then you have to go across to the other side over here. So it's like a crisscrossy mechanism in order to get that crossbody strap on. I know Some people are not a fan of how some of the bags crisscross. They prefer like a D-ring on both sides, but I like that they kept this minimal on the side. I really do. And I don't think I plan on wearing this crossbody, but I always say that and end up wearing it crossbody anyway, because when I shop, baby, I like to be hands-free. So we probably are gonna have a use case for these straps very, very soon. On the inside, and before we even get to that, y'all, it comes with a zipper. So all your items are perfectly enclosed. You don't have to worry about anything falling out. And the zipper is long. Look how long it goes. It tucks in though. Yeah, that back part, it tucks in, but it was long. So to open it, you just unzip, and that was buttery smooth. All that silver hardware, and you're jumping inside. There's no pocket. It's black interior, and then you can see the story patch. It's huge in here, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's way bigger than I thought. It is huge. That's perfect, y'all. I love me a good big bag. It doesn't look big from the outside, but the inside, maybe because it's such a malleable bag, I don't know. It looks huge, like I could fit so much in here. That's a plus because it's such a lightweight bag. I know some people are like, it's heavy. The denim bags are heavy. I don't see that. Or maybe I don't see it. But this is absolutely stunning. Oh, y'all, I'm in love. I love it, I love it, I love it. It does come with a dust bag so that I can make sure to store it, but I don't usually store my bags in dust bags. This is really nice though. I don't unless I'm traveling, then I'll put a dust bag around my bag to protect it. But when I'm at home, I just keep it on the shelf, make sure that I'm dusting it, conditioning it, cleaning it in between. I don't put them in dust bags because I remember seeing, I don't know if it was a TikTok or if it was on YouTube, but this girl, she was taking her bags out of the dust bags and there was mold. Oh my gosh, the moisture got trapped in there. But that's why, you know, keep these, don't throw them away. Keep them away from children and pets, of course. Just drop these in your bag, leave them in there as they came, and then, you know, hopefully it keeps the moisture out. But my goodness, y'all, my soul was crushed because she had so many bags, all of them were ruined. Alrighties, so getting to the outer hardware, there's silver hardware throughout. They really did their big one in giving it that jean look, and it has almost every shade of denim you could think of. Even on the bottom, they left no stone unturned. There's no leather on the outside that I can see other than the hang tag. So it's denim on denim on denim on denim, baby, and I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. This is my first cargo tote, and we are starting off strong because this, if this is what we're starting out with, the bar is set high, okay? Even the turn lock has Coach's emblem on it. The button on the back, it says Coach on it. Y'all, let me tuck this in so you guys could get the full effect. This is gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now, before I get into the accessories that I purchased for this bag in particular, I just want to show how Coach's items tend to play really well with each other. So from the big denim drop that broke the internet, I purchased some items like the Penelope platform sandals that were available. I bought this in particular because it doesn't have any hardware. It doesn't have gold or silver. It's neutral. It just has the signature C, and then of course that blue platform here, which is perfect. And I think it goes with everything denim. I really do. And the Patchwork has every shade of denim, so it pairs really nicely with that. Same thing with the signature C, the bucket hat. I wear the size large, extra large. I think that's what this one is. No, medium large is the one I use. So this as well. You can mix and match. You don't have to get everything matchy, matchy, matchy. You can have fun with your bags. And because it's Patchwork, because it has every shade of denim, you cannot go wrong. So these items I'm excited to mix and match with. Now, some of the other shoes that I got, and remember I said there was a hint to what I'm getting next. I also got a few months ago, actually, the Holly sandals, because I plan on getting the denim Patchwork Tabby 26 to match. And she's the same thing. It has blue sole and then patchwork on the front. And even though she's brass hardware, she still goes really, really well with this bag. I love mixing metals. I wear silver, I wear gold, white gold. I wear it all together. My ring is white gold, but I rock a lot of gold with like the stones and all that stuff. Like I mix metals, my chains, everything, my earrings, we mix metals. I love it. So that is another option, the Holly sandals. Not only that, I do have one last pair of denim sandals that I want to share. And I'll probably do these sandals and all the other stuff like in another separate video because I want to focus on the cargo tote and the items I got for that in particular. But I have the brand sandals as well. So these are from the Coach Boutique and so are the Hollies. And this one is different than the sports sandal that the outlet has. Very similar but different. The sports sandal has a strap here and no adjustable mechanism here. The brand has an adjustable Velcro strap here and here. So it's very comfortable, has a thick sole. The bottom says Coach. I love that attention to detail. It's super nice. And it has brass hardware, but even though it has brass hardware, still goes really well with the cargo tote. I think it's a perfect match. And although it may not translate on camera, all of these items are perfect matches. So the Penelope, I'm not going to lean that on there because I've worn the Penelope before, but the Penelope, the brand, and the Holly, these can lean because these are brand new. They're all very similar in tone. They all go with the cargo tote. The brand and Holly have brass hardware. This one has no hardware, but they all go together. And you can mix and match and have fun with them. And each of those sandals are very different to me. Like I'm not rocking a platform, you know, everywhere that I would rock like a flat. And the platform and the flat are very different than like a sportsy, comfortable type of wear that the brand would give me. It's crazy because I got all those different sandals for different things. Like I got the Penelope for my signature C. I got the brand for my regular denim tabby 26. And I got the Holly for the new Patchwork tabby 26 that I'm getting. But they all look good with the cargo tote. So I love that I can mix and match those. Let's get into some accessories that I got for this bag in particular. So these both are from the Coach outlet. And the first item that I have here, which is style number CAP07, is the Snap Wallet in denim. Now, I was very excited for this wallet because to me, it looks like a jean pocket. I think they just did it so well. And this is actually, I think they call this color indigo on their website. See here, it just says, oh, it does say indigo. So it says silver indigo. So that's the color that they're calling it. Let me just get some of these items out of here so we could go through it. Okay, so this is the wallet of choice here. And look at how she matches beautifully with this bag. Like I could turn it in any direction and it looks like it's just part of it because of the beautiful shades that they selected for this bag. So this is what the front of the bag looks like. There's no pocket on the outside in the back. Up here, it does come with a zip around wallet and a silver signature C there, as you can see. So I just pull that signature C and it exposes a it exposes a pocket. You could put your change in here, receipts, whatever you would like. I can close that zipper. I can close that on up and then snap it open. It exposes that same blue leather color that you saw in the sandals. So I love how they use, it's like a ecosystem of items that you can mix and match. So that's the color you see here. On this side, you have 1, 2, 3 card slots and then a pocket right here. And then on this side, you have 2 card slots, one being an ID window. And then of course you have the big pocket here where you can put your cash, your receipts, whatever you would like. You snap that back up and that is your wallet. And she works perfectly with this group here. The next item I have is a wristlet. Now, I was excited when I saw this one because I was trying to figure out what I would use as a wristlet. I wasn't really feeling the options that came out when this collection came out. I didn't even see a wristlet that would really go with what I was looking to achieve with this group. So this was the closest thing to what I wanted. The pouch wristlet has easily become one of my favorites because it packs in so much compared to a regular wristlet. The regular wristlets are very flat and the pouch wristlet, because it has depth, you're able to fit a lot more. The wristlet component doesn't come off, it stays on, but as you can see, you open it up and let me remove all this paper. It has the same blue tone on the inside, but it's fabric and not leather. This component is leather, that same blue leather, but in here we have fabric. And you can fit so many lippies, so many cosmetics, toiletries, hygienic products, school supplies, whatever you need, everything fits in here. On the outside, you get that same silver hardware that you would get in this one. Same silver zipper. matches perfectly with the cargo tote here. Very excited about that. And I love the portability of it. Although this component doesn't come off, I don't really need it to come off. I like it just the way it is. If I need to run a quick errand or something, I just want to quickly grab something. These pouches are amazing. Get the pouch if you're on the fence, just try it. And I think you will really like it. Now I will say that there is the brown stitching on both the wallet and the pouch. The stitching on this one is white and some blue, like it's different color stitching on this one, but they mesh so well together. Love, 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 love how these pair really well with this. Alrighty, so I have one more accessory to show you for this collection. This is a charm that I got from the Coach outlet. The moment I saw it, I knew that it would fit perfectly with the group that I'm building here. I don't have anything like it. It's the first that I have of its kind. It's simple, but I think it's straight to the point. Alrighty, let me just show you guys. It is the silver signature C. This is her right here. Let me see if I can hold it in a way that you could see it. So that's her right there. Let me get you the style number. It's 1635 and it says LH/silver. I love the attention to detail because outside of this key ring, which I usually remove the key ring, I don't use it for like a keychain or anything like that. But I love the little tag that it comes with. It comes with a little separate tag that looks like the hang tag that comes with the purses. I think that there's such a beautiful attention to detail and it's so neat. Now I will say that the silver is a little bit different than the silver on the wallet. So the silver on the actual charm is a little bit more dull versus the one on the wallet is a lot more shiny, if you could see that. And I don't know how to explain the difference. I guess it would almost be like the difference between brass and gold. I'm not gonna say this is definitely not nickel, but I can't remember what finish this is, like what it's actually called, but it's not like a shiny silvery color. It's definitely a little bit more dull, not as reflective. And I still think that it looks beautiful in combination with everything here. I think that it's a beautiful addition to the group. I think that I can't wait to decorate everything that I have here. It's my first silver set and I love that it's paired with the denim because I think that it's chef's kiss. I cannot wait to show you how I dress it up and do like a what's in my bag with everything. I think that you'll really enjoy it. Now I wouldn't necessarily add any of my previous signature C items outside of what I showed you because they do have gold hardware. Just to give you a glimpse of what I'm talking about, this is the denim from the Cherry collection. Beautiful collection. I'll leave a link in the description of my review of this collection. Oh my gosh, one of my favorite collections hands down. It has like the vachetta leather and then the signature C denim and then like these cherry charms that come with everything. Even though it's denim, I don't know if I would necessarily like match it with it. You can, because you know, if you're like me and you like mixing metals, you don't really care. But I probably wouldn't because I already have my own ecosystem going here. If I wanted to add more items to this, I'd probably do black or something like that. Not necessarily try to keep doing denim on denim on denim, but who knows? When you have accessories, mix, match, have fun, do whatever you want to do. This is what I was referring to when I was saying that the wristlet and the pouch wristlet is just like night and day. This is a regular size wristlet. This is the pouch wristlet. Look at the thickness difference between the two. Like it's insane. It's insane. Of course, the longer items will do well with the wristlet, but the depth you cannot miss. And it's still small and compact. Absolutely beautiful. Now that I'm like holding everything together, y'all, I'm not gonna lie, I might mix and match everything because I like the way everything looks. I do. There's like, you cannot go wrong with denim. It's such a casual thing. I don't wear a lot of denim, but I do have a lot of items that will match with denim. So I'm very excited to wear those items and I can't wait to share that all with you all. If you enjoyed this video and love videos just like this one, please be sure to give this a huge thumbs up so I know to make more videos just like it, and consider subscribing so you won't miss a thing. I will see you in the next video. Bye.